Okay, and we are back, guys. We should be back. Can we check it, please? Good morning, good evening, welcome back to the stream.
Let me refresh.
I think it started the new stream, so you have to check the new stream.
I went to live. Okay, so I'm on our channel. When I go to live, okay, now it's working.
No, it's working. Okay.
Waiting for the price of patience. Okay, now I got the notification. Okay, I think we're good. We're seeing charts again.
Okay, amazing. And now what I can do, I can even...
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Wow. Let's do it. Let's see. Price pushed to new all-time highs. I don't think that's really what we're dealing with right this second. But I'd like that. I would like it.
Nice profits.
I like it a lot. Okay. Hit the like button and subscribe. What are we looking at?
You managed to take some off? No, you're still 6 contracts. Okay.
Yeah, I should have took some. I'm looking at my phone now.
I think you might get another push. But very slow session. Very slow session.
Yep, not a lot of action. Man. Yeah, we did a pretty uniform push that I've seen before off the 15-minute 90 MA. We didn't quite.
Oh my god, again. What the heck?
Want the covers? I don't want the covers. How about the covers?
I think we should be good.
Yeah, it looks good. The longs look good.
Longs good, look good. Stream.
There's someone out there waiting for a pullback, and you know, as much as I want everyone to win, I hope we do not see a pullback.
Stream looks good now too, I think. But You're still holding. That's amazing, bro.
I'm holding on for dear life here. Oh my. Okay. That's what I was looking for. That's what I was looking for. Okay, the 20s are cool. I really would like to see more than the 20s, but who am I? Who am I to demand these things?
But the 20s, look, since we rejected earlier, like just before the 20s, now we could push through, but this is definitely a potential resistance zone, so
Yes. Yes, I took half of my position out.
nice, congratulations.
Yeah, I'm putting a stop right in profit above break even manually because you have to
Smooth.
do that now on TradeOvate's new update.
Okay.
I pulled a Carlos. Carlos, if you're out there, man,
Shout out
this is for
to
you.
you.
This one's for you, bro. My stop loss is in on the same 15-minute candle I entered the trade on. Oh, I lied. It's actually the one after, but still. But still, I pulled a Carlos. Yeah, it's looking good. I'm just gonna let my runner run because this could break through the 20s. If it doesn't, I'm in profit. I'm actually trading on an account that was $100 away from being blown. So,
Okay.
and 3 other accounts that are nowhere near blown. That are doing pretty good actually. So, we'll see. We'll see. It's very nice to have restored myself, giving myself a little more room to breathe because we need to breathe. It's only right.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Will we be pushing to the 30s? I was very anxious that we might reject these 20s. This was actually one of my shorts that I would have been looking for. And this could be a nice short, like a really nice short. Let's see, we got 5 more minutes left in this candle. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to take profit on this account. And I'm going to leave it a runner on the other 2 accounts. I'll be right back. Oh, shit, I'll be right back.
Yep. We are still pushing, sort of pushing, nothing crazy, but slow grind up. I don't like that's an overstatement maybe, but this kind of lows usually gets taken, so I would expect that we will pull back at some point. Not sure if we're gonna see it in this session while we are live, but I really don't have any ideas for the trade right here. Anyone in the chat is in a trade, let us know. what you're trading, which direction, why. I'm just going through the time frames to see where we could enter something, but really this is middle of nowhere for me. I would love to see a little bit higher or a nice pullback so I can jump in the long. 30 minutes just crossed, the EMA just crossed. This looks like we might see a move up today, since yesterday was a nice move down. Today we might see a move up. Might. 700s will be the resistance. We even have, what do we have here? Okay, I just see this, that from yesterday. Tsar Trader, good morning, good evening, welcome back. Yes, I agree. We talked about it, like this is yesterday's volume profile, and yeah, we came down, took the value area low. Now we are approaching the value area high of yesterday, and yeah, you're 100% right. I just noticed that we have here, look what we have here. Let me turn on the magnet. I'm on 30 minutes and we have this wick. This wicks usually gets like taken and then reject or no reject, but usually we have some kind of reaction. But I think this might be our target for this session, since we don't have upper wick here, or there is, but there is a minimal wick. So yeah, I think we have a little bit more upside to go to see, and then potentially reject. Randall, welcome back. I'm sorry for technical issues. My internet collapsed, so I don't know what happened, but I had to restart the stream. I have two limit orders, one at 176, 176. Okay, yeah, that's our 180, and this is 30-minute 9 EMA. Okay, 146 by one contract each. Static 500 max drawdown. Okay, I see what you're saying. 146 could also be a nice entry. 15 minutes in a steady, like a steady grind higher, grinding uptrend, nothing crazy. But if I look only on market cipher B, this is a long playing out. We have to see if we're gonna pull back, when we're gonna pull back. I have no trades yet. Did nothing this morning. Just chilling here, just waiting for some setup to show. Donovan, let me see if Donovan still have one contract on a trade long. Just took some nice profits.
Yeah. On
oh,
two
you're
accounts.
back. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm sorry, Zartrez, you were talking about gold. Let me go to gold quickly. Gold nasty sweeping both value area high, value area low from yesterday. Yes, I mean, but same happened with 10Q. Look, I mean, exact same thing. Up to 80% off. Okay, end of summer sale on Trading View. Okay, everyone who needs maybe upgrade or prolong the Trading View, there's the opportunity. I did not even know. But you said of RTH. Let me go to RTH. But wait a minute. I can remove that. I can put this here. Monday, Tuesday. There we go. And then if we go back to electronic, I'm not sure. No, gold, I don't see what you see on gold. But NQ did what you said, yeah? ZAR, so. I'm tempted to go maybe long here, but even if I go with one contract here, what stop loss here, 24 for at risk to reward is not that great.
Well, if you look at the last leg up, right, and if we do another one of those, we're talking a good 40 pointer, at least 40 points.
Yeah, funny. That's exactly where I put my TP. 40 points from here, but look how slow we got this. What was this? 190, like 30 points in like more than half hour. So I don't.
Another thing I'll mention that kind of deters me is if you look left on the 15-minute, you don't see 3 green candles back to back. You don't see more than 3 green candles back to back, really.
Yeah.
This is the third green candle, so just something simple like that. I would expect the next candle to be a pullback.
Yeah, it could be. Maybe we spike higher and then we pull back. That would be technically that would be nicer, and we still have 11 minutes for this candle to play. So yeah,
you can still get a nice entry around like 209 if it pulls back. But for me, that would pretty much bring me back to break even. So I want to see that push, and I'll take profit on the last 2 accounts on that push.
Oh, so you're in 2 accounts, not only one. Okay.
Yeah, I originally was in on 4 or 3 accounts. I took profit on one of the accounts, the one with the lowest balance. And I left the other 2 to run. Now I'm about to take profit on the other 2 once we get one more little push.
Sounds like you're managing quite well today.
Yeah,
with your trades.
With 2 contracts. With 2 contracts, it's always great managing 2 contracts. As long as you don't turn around and trade 6 contracts afterwards.
Yeah. And since I still have nothing here, I will switch to you back.
Oh. Yeah, when it comes to trading, size doesn't matter.
When it comes to trading, right?
Don't let your girlfriend tell you size doesn't matter. You're a trader.
And you're trading NQ, so it really doesn't matter.
Yeah, 1 contract, you can make $1,000 on NQ.
Yeah, you can make 2 if you do your approach, huh? What was that? 2,000 points?
Trade? Oh man,
was it?
It was like 2,000 points, something like that. 1,000 points, it was like $1,400.
Wow.
I call that the endless shrimp trade.
Yeah.
It's a little trade, but it's endless.
But we got a nice push still.
We broke the 30s, so
no,
we can close above the 30s. Next stop would be the 50s. Close above the 50s. Next stop would be the 80s.
80s would be perfect. Like 80s aligns perfectly with my zone. If you go to 30 minutes, you will see a wick. Yesterday's high, but their 30-minute candle has a wick that was never revisited. Plus, there is a 30-minute candle without upper wick. So yeah, so 280s would actually be the perfect rejection zone.
All right, let's get a nice big quick push to 280 on.
I'm tempted to go in here. We are retesting the 20s now. Oh, this looks kinda bad. 220. Oh, I went in. I don't have high hopes, to be honest. But let's see. Risking 60 bucks for 300. That's not bad risk to reward.
Not bad, not bad.
Not too bad, not too bad. And we have what, 20 more minutes for the 1 hour candle to play out. Okay,
That's
this was
it.
actually the perfect entry so far on 1 minute. Like I had, where did I enter? 221.25. Like I had 1 point drawdown. That's quite good. Let's see, I want to see this previous high get taken. I like that 1 minute candle engulfed the last 1 minute candle, so we are looking okay-ish. But very slow price action this morning. And we are definitely approaching, like, all of these levels now here can be resistance. We're top of the range. Okay, if we go to 280s, that would be perfect, right? And we probably will. Now the question is, will we pull back first or not at all?
That is the question.
And look, now 30 seconds is giving me some weird vibes.
What the fuck?
No.
Well, I've never seen that before, ever.
What?
Did I catch it? I don't know. I don't know what I'm looking at right now. I don't know. I've never seen this before. There's this little flag popping up where it says position. There was like a little, I screenshotted it. Okay. Caught it. I have evidence.
You have evidence. Okay. Ghostbusters.
Yeah, right? 'Cause I was like, I don't believe in what I'm saying, but it
Opa.
looks weird.
What is this push now? Okay, I don't like it. We popped up on, okay, I'm on 5 seconds, but anyway, even on 1 minute, we just pushed up.
Yeah, that was weird. That was weird. It was very weird.
Came back down. I don't like it. I will, okay, we are pushing. Do I need to close this thing?
I think somebody just got stopped out of their short.
Yeah, or somebody added big long.
Yep.
Because why would you get stopped here? Like, what's the logic behind that? But you know what? I don't like this. I'm gonna close it. I closed at break even, I believe. Let me check. Just summary. Yeah, I lost $2. Okay.
Yeah, I'm tempted to close because
Yeah.
if someone just got stopped out of their short, it's probably gonna come down now.
Yeah, it's coming down, breaking the structure on tiny time frames. This is usually the beginning of a pullback. And usually when I see, at least from my experience, when we see this kind of a pop up, like quick move up and then immediate rejection, that's what it tells me, that I should go out from the long. Or if it's
I'll let the
opposite, then you know,
process.
it's this is now looking good for for a little short maybe.
This would be a great place to go short.
That's too fast.
Yeah, it's happening really fast.
Mm.
But remember, I was saying that where I took profit, that would have been a great place to go short. But I just took profit on my second contract, and it stopped me out. Stop me the fuck out.
What did they tell you guys? These lows that we left behind are usually a perfect place to, perfect place for the price to come back, and it seems like it's happening. Shall we go maybe long from 180? Okay, this is 5 minute 9 and 14 EMA SMA combination here.
I'm gonna let this candle close, and this candle closes red.
Okay, you wanna hear something interesting? So 180 below us is the 30 minutes 9 EMA. It's yesterday's point of control. It's 15 minutes 14 SMA. So that's 3 confluences at the same spot. Let's see what happens at 180.
I like 180. I like 180.
Randall likes it too, it seems. He says he has one order at 176 and one at 146. So I'm not sure 146. If we go to 146 from here, I'm not sure we're gonna bounce back up soon. Maybe later in a day, but not right away. That's my thesis. I might be wrong, right? But if you see 180, that would be a liquidity sweep. We would fix the structure, and as I said, we have yesterday's point of control here. We have 15 minute 14 SMA. We have 30 minute 9 EMA. So shame for long and shame for short. The short did not give us a pullback for the entry.
Not yet. I don't know if it will. I know it needed to come right where it did. I think we're not done. I think we're gonna go up. We're gonna stop everybody out. We're stopping out the longs right now. We're gonna stop out the out the shorts. I think we're gonna make a higher high.
Yeah, we're gonna stop the whole Asian bulls. There we go. We're coming down. Oh my god, we missed it.
Not too much. I think it's time to go. We're gonna make these highs one more again.
Yeah, Randall, me too. I doubt it's just flash insurance. I also have 180 to buy. Okay, that sounds good. And now first, actually, I know it sounds like I'm now bouncing all over the place, but we actually swapped the liquidity on the time frames below 1 minute. Even if you take a look at the 1 minute, this second leg up that we had. So let's see. 5 minutes just closed below the EMA, so I can't buy these upper levels. Yeah, me neither. See, I went in and I stopped it at break even and lost $2.5. Okay, that's fine. Okay, 1 minute 9 EMA here.
Look at that push. Perfect push off the 9 EMA. Now we're going to 50.
From what EMA? On 5?
15.
What?
15 minute 9 got kissed.
For me it did not, so I don't know. But 5 did. I don't just like that previous candle closed below the 14 SMA on 5. So, and this was, I think Let me see, and we lost the EMAs on 1 minute. Now we are rejecting the
I'm
EMAs
cool.
again, and I'm gonna, will I? Well, will I? I have to act now if I want to go short.
Sure.
No. Well, I couldn't go long here. I cannot go short just yet. 30 minutes, 30 minutes, wow. You know what? I'm short. Very tight stop loss, very tight stop loss, and I'm aiming for 180. Again, same risk to reward, like risking 50 something for 300 potentially. But no. Okay, some bear divs on 5. I'm not 100% sure in this.
I gotta check on Claude real quick in case it's on my
Sure.
screen. Just letting people
Yeah,
have
let me change to my screen. There we go, guys. You can see this thing in on 5 seconds. I needed to lose this, and because 1 minute, I mean, take a look. 1 minute lost the EMAs. We came up, rejected, sort of rejected, or let's say we did not reclaim them. Then 5 minute, last candle closed below the EMAs. We are on our way to the 180s if our thesis are right. So this was my opportunity to go short. If the short will play out, this was the entry. 15 minutes, I would like 15 minutes to come down to the 14 SMA. Same thing with 30 minutes, I would like it to come down to the 9 EMA, right? And this is yesterday's point of control. So if the short will play out, it's gonna play out from here. I would say if I get stopped, I will get stopped. I have like 6 points, not even. What is my entry here? 216, like 5.5 points stop loss, so that's fine. Let's see. Okay, nice initial reaction. Now I would need to see a flush a little bit quicker, if possible. If not, okay, but see, we push back. Nice trigger wave, very tight trigger wave on 30, but this can also like turn into a bullish trigger wave. If we lose this, or when we lose this, I'm gonna put my stop loss lower. I wanted this to play out faster, so break even, and we're about to get stopped, guys. Yep. Okay, and we are pushing.
Right, I didn't want to say it, but I kind of went long at 211.
Nice, like at the bottom.
Yeah, I was waiting for a nice little entry. I want to see us go to those 250s.
Yeah, we will, but I was expecting 180 and then move up. And I'm still tempted to go again short, but maybe better not to.
Yeah, trend is your friend, man.
Trend is
There's going to be a candle that tells you.
And you're right, trend was never broken. Like the uptrend was never broken. So
so far.
Yeah, so far.
Now, if this candle goes below the 9 EMA on the 15, then okay, we can talk about it.
Yeah, I was looking at the 5 and 5 closed below the 14, so that's why I went for the short, because we had a closure below the 14 SMA. So yeah, now the 9 on the 15-minute came to the candle, but okay. Yeah, you were right. I think you were super right. No bear dips, no nothing.
I'll be right when it hits 250.
Ha.
So far, I'm flirting with the idea of being right, but
To go along here makes no sense.
yeah. Let's see what happens next.
Trying to see, like, but here this is no risk reward to me for me, so you got the perfect entry, 211. Wow, this was the perfect entry. Perfect. And you already have like 15 points on a trade, so
Yeah, I got 15 points now. I want to see it go. Give me 30 points. I'll be happy with 30.
yeah, but
If
here
we can
again
just
we came to the highs, we did not take them. We stopped one time framing on 1 minute. I guess this is, yeah, 15 seconds, 14 SMA and a bounce. If I go something like this, well, let's go it. Let's try it for the sake of entertainment purposes. Don't do this at home, don't copy this, but
don't try this at home.
nope.
Very dangerous. Ancient Chinese secret.
Yeah.
Don't try this at home.
What is the time? Oh, 5 minutes before the 1 hour closes, bro. This is dangerous place to learn.
We're playing with fire, bro.
Yeah, bro, this 5 minute. 5 minute. 5 minute. No, 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 no. You know what? I'm gonna close this. I'm green. 40, 45, 50. No. You're gonna
I
pull
like what
back.
you're saying.
Okay.
I like what you're saying.
60
That
bucks.
sounds like a
Okay.
great idea.
I just made the loss back and I'm out. Since only because, not because I don't think we're gonna push, we will push, but 1 hour candle will just close, so new candle will open, right? Makes sense. And we will probably see a pullback. I did not believe that this 5 minute candle can push this much. Seems like it can.
This is
Seems like.
exactly what I said. I was taking profit, and look, here I go. I did it. I took profit.
Nice.
Right at the 40s. I'm good.
Nice. Congratulations.
Yeah, that's it. Now it's going to go to the 50s. Now the 50s might be a good place to short. Could be a good place to short. We're going to see.
We're still down 30 bucks.
Oh, man. How's that? You just made some money. Oh, it is what it is. It's them
Oh,
fees,
amazing.
bro. The fees be feeing.
No, but wow, wow. This entry was spot on, like 211, bro.
Yeah, cooked, bro. Cooked
You
very
did,
nicely.
you
Very,
did,
very
you
nicely.
did.
The funny thing is, my original entry would have been fine too at 205. So I got 205 and 211. But it's fine, honestly. Because I've seen this pattern before where we kind of flag and it looks like you're waiting for price to come touch the 9 EMA to go. But what happens on some flags is the 9 EMA catches up with the flag. I
Mm-hmm.
mean, it's nothing profound. Everyone's seen that before, but I kind of saw that happen. I'm like, oh, this is really bullish. The 9 EMA is going to come meet price. And when they meet, price is going to go. So that was the setup. I've been waiting for that setup all night, and here we are. So it's my trade for the night. Now, if I were going to take another trade, I would size down, wait for it to hit 250, and short that thing. And if I get stopped out 10 points above that, long that thing.
Mm-mm-mm. And we have our in a minute.
Hour candle coming. Oh, wow. That exit was chef's kiss.
Mm-hmm.
So far, so far. Let's see. I really think this is going to continue to go.
Yeah, I'm just looking
Like
at the
usually the
1
last
hour. 1 hour also looks like some kind of a bottom structure, I would say. But let's see, we are approaching big resistance, or let's say key resistance, very important resistance. I don't know how big it is, but or how strong it is. It was definitely a support before. You can even see this wick here on 2 hours. When was this? 6th of August was a support. Now it was support the other day too. Then we lost it. Now it was resistance. So if we reclaim this zone here that you can see on the chart, I think we can continue higher. But if we reject, this might be a great place to short for the rest of the day, because Asia pumped, actually came down, then it pumped. London is about to open in an hour, so if they start selling off and then New York continues with the sell-off, yeah, let me see, how is it called? Forex Factory.
Here it goes. Here's the 50s. Okay, this is where
Do we have something
this is
to
where
do?
I
No.
would go ahead and oh shit, I did not mean to do that. I just went short at 45. I didn't mean to do that. I don't want to stand in front of any trains today. Oh my goodness.
It's pushing.
I
So
just
even
grabbed the
I
bull
had a
by the
good entry, but
horns.
I got scared. I got
Yeah,
scared.
I really wanted to do that with one contract. Okay, good. Here we go. So I just took a little $20 loss because I misclicked. But if we can get to 250, I'm going to short this thing with a 10-point stop.
250. I mean, you got 250.
I missed it. When I clicked, I got
250 too.
245.
But why
Yeah.
not touch then 280s here, huh?
There's an area at 250 that's, see, look, there's a lot of sellers waiting right there.
Spot on.
Yeah, I saw it before. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Come on. The buyers aren't aggressive enough, bro. The sellers are taking over. We're going to get that pullback that everyone's waiting for.
Yep. Yep.
But damn it.
Yep.
I should have should have had a limit
I wanna
order is
go
what I should have
short.
did.
Are we gonna go to the 180s now?
It's possible. It's possible. There's a lot of areas down low that need some repair. I missed that. I'm missing everything.
Somehow I don't want to go short just yet. I don't know. Now I'm
Yeah,
scared. I
careful,
lost
bro.
two trades.
Careful, bro.
The one that I had good entry, I got scared out from. I could have made more money. But this is looking... Well, I don't know. I don't know. This has really not been my session, so right now I don't feel confident in anything.
I definitely get that. That was me. That was me in New York today. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Nothing that I usually look for for a setup is not showing, so this is actually a scenario where I should just stay out and whatever happens, be okay with it.
Yeah, I feel that. I'm kind of with you there. I mean, we kind of missed my entry criteria. I don't want to force it. I really wanted to get in at 250. That's exactly what I said earlier. It played out like I said for once.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
For once, listen to that. For once, he said.
Yeah. It's like,
I would.
We all have our days, right?
Yeah, but I would adjust that you actually played everything that you said. You did it. Because price usually does what you say, or what we see that it's gonna happen. But execution was on point today, I must say. So
yeah, that's what it is. It's execution, bro. We gotta actually get in there. Okay. Here I am. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go right now. Huh? Yeah, I just got in for one contract. Nothing crazy. So my entry was 46.50. Not quite what I want. Oh, and it did come to 50. I should have just set a limit order.
So I'm ready to click sell, but I'm not pressing
still
anything.
Profitable even. Yeah, it's not really risking.
Okay, we are taking the highs here. We are taking the highs. Randall is flat, yeah. Do I want to jump in now? It seems like we are rejecting, but this might push. I'm on 5 seconds. People, if somebody is watching here, people will say, what the heck is this guy doing? But I know what I'm doing. See that I did not go in, so all good, all good, all good.
Yeah, the trend is your friend. We trying to call the top. I don't know about that.
Okay.
Price is like, I don't know about that. You sure about that?
Yeah, sure about that. Okay. Slight bear divs on the 5. I'm going in now. Well, wrong moment. Is it wrong moment? I'm in at 251.50. This needs to drop now, right here. I don't know, man. 250. I don't think we're gonna go down all the way to the 180s. I just don't see it happening right now.
Yeah, that's a lot to ask.
Yeah.
A lot to ask.
Considering how slow the price action was. And I would expect 180 and lower if we come to 280. Then I would expect even lower, and if we reject, like, hard. But this is still pushing. This is flat top, lower lows, lower highs on the market cipher. This is usually when we see a drop, but for some reason this is keeps pushing, and we are out. Okay. Another one.
Did it stop me out yet? I'm still in the game. 59. We need 59 to get me out of there. They're working on it though.
Yeah, I
They're
think
plotting on
280s
me.
are coming. 280s are coming.
Yeah, if I get stopped out, they are.
Hey, caramba. Yeah, look at this. 5 minute, but this 5 minute structure cannot hold for sure. It won't hold for too long. I will give it another go at the short at 280s. If we get there, if not, I'm good for a couple of hours. I'm not gonna force anything.
Oh, it got me. I'm out. That was it. That's all, folks.
That's all, folks. I'll wait for the 280s. I mean, what is the time? 8:08. So 2 o'clock. Oh, it's 2 o'clock. Usually we are signing out at this time. If you're okay with it, I would wait to see a couple of more minutes if we get to the 280s. Looks like we are on our way there. Let me check the 30 minutes here. 30 minutes. We are in the zone that I marked on 30 minutes, this candle. And we just fixed, but we are still pushing. We fixed that 30-minute candle without upper wick. We are still pushing. You cannot reject the 260s without coming to the 280s, I would say.
Yeah, you don't see that very often. So
Yeah.
I think
If we reject the 250s, okay, right? Good morning, good evening, everyone. Once again, welcome to the channel. Welcome back. I don't know, since you're lurking, you're not saying hello, but we appreciate you showing up. We appreciate you if you smash that like button, subscribe.
All the London traders are waking up. They're like, who trades Asia? Here comes all the London traders.
Such a beautiful morning, isn't it?
No one trades Asia like we trade Asia.
Yeah, true. I mean, true. I don't know, but
we are the best Asia traders on all of YouTube, as far as I'm concerned.
There are 3 live streams for the Asia session. Oh, yeah. Yeah. If you want to trade the end of Asia session, yeah, this is the right place. Oh my god, look at that 5-minute candle. What is this? Don't tell me you're gonna reject this. What is this, bro?
I don't think so. It's bullish. All right. I just want my money back. I'm in for one contract going long.
But look at this previous 5-minute candle close. How I mean, yeah, previous 5-minute candle close. That's it.
I haven't even looked at the 5-minute all day. I ain't gonna lie.
Is it possible that you nailed another entry? What the heck, bro? What the heck?
Yeah, with
1 minute 14 SMA.
I always nail it with one contract.
Come on, I went in. Come on, 280s. Let's go. Like, come on, just take them and we can close the stream. But we haven't had this slow session in a while, I think.
It's pretty slow.
It
feels like Asia again.
Yeah, like a proper Asia. Proper Asia session.
Yeah, there was a couple times there where I was like, are we really trading Asia right now? Or
Yeah,
we
those
doing?
what was 2 3 weeks in a row when we actually had the whole the whole move of the whole like Asia, London, New York. We had a move on the Asia, London did a little bit more, but then New York did nothing. So, huh? Adapt, improvise, overcome, right? You have to be Bear
Adapt,
Grylls of
improvise,
trading.
overcome. Yeah, man. There you go.
Good morning
I like that.
everyone.
I
I
like
guess
that.
people from
It's a great
London are
name.
joining, so good morning, guys.
That's right. If you are in London trading this choppity chop,
Choppity
congratulations.
chop, chop. Yeah.
Well, oh no, it's not chopping now. It's actually trending very well.
It's grinding higher, slowly grinding higher.
Let me zoom out and see what is the higher time frames telling me right now, because
that we are at the resistance for sure now.
Okay. So we broke. Oh, this is bullish, bro.
Oh, imagine that.
If
I
by
just
6
got a
o'clock this
notification
candle
that my
closes
internet
green that we're
connection is
in now.
unstable.
We figured that out about 5 minutes ago. Notifications. Damn you, notifications.
Oh, what is this now? Right, but this is unreal, bro. I'm out. Again.
Is it pushing? Oh, no. No,
came down.
Yeah, hit me. Came down quite a bit. Quite a bit.
You still in? I'm gonna switch to you.
Yeah. I never got out. My stop is at 50, 56, I want to say. I can't even see it. It's on the 4 hour, but we're gonna let me look back at the low time frames. I just had to see what this means if we remain bullish. The 4 hour is talking to me. It's whispering in my ear. It's telling me, go long.
Based on 4 hours.
That's what's happening.
You say,
yeah, 4 hours. Like, if this candle closes green, then eat your vegetables, because
wait a minute, we just closed the 4 hour candle, right?
For a while. Yeah, we did. We're in a new one. We're in a fresh one.
Oh, wow. We are rejecting. And bro, that was a 4 hour 14 SMA, I believe. Yep. Would you look at that?
Yeah, let's see how this goes.
Yeah, my internet is collapsing, bro. I think the stream will collapse now again.
Damn. It's cool. I'm not really. Dang, bro.
Bro, how it stopped me? It stopped me, and then it went. I'm not sure you can hear me. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, my bad, sorry.
Yeah. Wait, me or the stream?
Yeah, you. I mean, if you can hear me, then stream can
Yeah,
hear
I
me
don't know if
too.
the stream is on.
People left, but we should be on.
Yeah, let's see. I don't know. No. Yeah, I think we're good. I don't know. Let me refresh. Yes, we are still live.
Good.
We are still live, and I am still up. I'm still in this trade. One contract. I'm really just so. You might be like, why is this guy trading one contract on NQ? Why would you do such a thing?
Why
One
not?
micro? What do you think you're gonna do? I think I'm gonna make back my losses that I made on my last trade. And for your information, I already did. So take that.
Eat that. Ah.
That's right.
Oh,
It's
definitely
got
not
20
my
more points
session.
in queue. It's not really that serious. She's a tease sometimes, bro. She's just like, oh, yeah, you see your target right there? I see it too. It's a nice target you got there. Hey, what's over there? Relax.
Yeah, I agree with you around 100%. No read on this market this morning. Don't like this super level until London confirms it. Because they could flush it on open. Yep. 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 I couldn't agree more. Slippage.
Plan. What will they do?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to say on this session. Definitely not my one. Mine. You're still green.
Still green, still long.
I guess we're gonna see 280 very, very soon.
Yep, I could be an asset for the Incredible Hulk right now. Oh, here we go. Is this the push we're looking for?
It looks
Yeah,
like
I
it.
think we're going.
Looks like
going to the 80 moon. There we go.
now one big push, 15 points. Let's go. Come on. Yep. What did I say? Come on. Okay, I'm up.
Oh
nice.
man. Okay, I'm done. I'm done.
Whoa. Okay, I missed.
Whoa, my goodness.
Wow.
What the?
Well, yeah, exactly. Is this a short? Is this a short? 280. I wouldn't bet. But look how it's pushed, bro.
Hey, you got the right idea, bro. You got the right idea.
Yeah, but it pushed too much, bro.
I'm just gonna. That way too much. There's fair value out the ass. It can come down to 200 right now. Out the ass. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, bro. Crazy. Okay, but I'm happy we saw it. I'm happy we waited for it because we called it like an hour ago.
Bro, it happened at it was 2:23. That's crazy. What a weird time for it to do that.
Yeah. And look at this rejection. Come on.
Right when you think something about the market.
Oh, my die.
Yeah, that was
for sure, bro.
You called it. You called it, bro. Listen, if y'all were listening to Nick and you went short, you just made some money.
I did not go short, but that was quick 20, not 20 now, but 15 points quickly. Now I'm curious to see what will happen around here. We are closing the 30-minute candle in a little bit less than 5 minutes. This is definitely a nice resistance.
230, bro.
There is a 4-hour 14 SMA around here too. Let me check the 6 hours. 6 hours 9 EMA exactly here, so I would be careful with longs here. I would like to see push higher and then long on the pullback, or if I see some kind of weakness I would short this, but for now I'm out. Yeah, I think we are ready to call it a stream, guys. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for commenting. We're gonna be there tomorrow again, midnight Eastern or 6 a.m. Central European time.
Another one
for the books. We had some internet connection issues today. Apologize for that, but we pushed it through, so we're good.
You know, if you haven't already, make sure you like, you subscribe, hit that like button, subscribe to our videos. We're gonna hit some amazing trades this week, y'all. Just take this walk with us. That's what it is. Last but not least, if you're looking for a community to trade with,